Hello, dear viewers. Okay, so yes, now there is sound. Hello, my dear viewers. This is Discuss Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I am Rakesh. Today is 26th of July 2023. The day is Wednesday. I'm sorry about the delay of about 9 minutes because of some technical problems. You might be thinking that I'm Lucas Copy's employee. No, I'm not an employee of Lucas Copy Bank. I'm the trading community member of Lucas Copy. So therefore, whatever I'm going to say in this webinar are my own views and opinions. Please do not confuse it with the opinion of the Lucas Copy Bank. Okay. In the next 30 minutes, we will be strictly discussing about the price action and technical analysis a bit. So we will discuss only about the price action, not any fundamentals. So please bear it with me. We will not be talking about anything in the nitty-gritty, but only focus on the charts. As a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already there on the chart. So we'll just ignore the rest of every information. Okay. And for our analysis purpose, we will only be using the candlestick type of charts, and using those charts we'll try to find out the key levels of importance which we can use to form up our trading setups. Now if you're new to the technical analysis, please go through some Google something about the profitable candlestick patterns and the profitable chart patterns, or you can look into the two playlists that have been created by me in this channel. That is profitable chart patterns playlist and the profitable candlestick patterns playlist. Basically, if you go through these playlists, you will have it will really help you to understand what we are talking about in this program. At the end of the session, I will be answering the questions from the viewers, so please feel free to ask any questions if you have, and I'll try to answer or resolve those questions or queries of yours. Lastly, whatever I say in this live stream is only to increase your information or knowledge. Please do your research before you put your money on the line, and if you are not sure about what to do, then please do not trade solely based on the trading advice or solely based on whatever you see in this video. No, do your own research. Okay, so there is the standard risk disclaimer. So go through this risk disclaimer completely and then only look into the charts. The first chart that I'm going to show you today is the dollar index charts, like always. So now the price has already gone to the level which we were expecting and now is on the way to the downside. 100.44 is the level which we are expecting in this chart. 100.44 we are expecting as to act as a support. If it doesn't, then 99.20 will be exposed. But if it does act as a support, then 102.22 may be tested again in this market. So right now you can safely say yes, the price is pulling back towards 102.22 area, which is the major resistance. But this was also the resistance. So yes, there is a possible pullback towards downside before going towards 102.22. Euro on the other hand has pulled back. Actually it has gone below 1.1095, which was a crucial area of support. Now it is again going towards that area. I think that will act as a resistance this time, and we will only be sure about the uptrend once the price clears the channel, which is a counter trending channel that we have created here. So this channel actually can go till this extent. So when this channel breaks to the upside, we'll be sure that yes, now the uptrend has resumed. But since now till now the uptrend has not resumed, so we will stay low in this market, and we'll try to see when the price goes above 1.1095, then we'll try to go and buy this market. But this is still a buy up to 1.0833 area, because this is the crucial swing pivot. Okay, once the price drops below 1.0833, we will become sellers in this market, since we will not be ready to hold the positions in the long direction below 1.0833. in other words, you can keep your stop losses below 1.0833 if you want to long this market. Pound has two crucial levels. One is this low that the price has just created, so I will just keep it now here. 1.2797 is the support now, and for the resistance, I think 1.3141 is still the resistance for the pound. Nothing new on this one. Yes, expect some pullback towards downside again, and break above 1.3141 is expected, with the target of 1.3298. These are actually the crucial levels of importance, crucial levels for pound against the US dollar. Australian dollar today a fall, and still consolidation, I will say. I will stay away from this market because there is no clean trend. The price is trading between the wedge, so I will stay away from this market as such. The crucial levels on the upside 0.6920 and on the downside 0.6594. These are the two levels of importance. Below this, I mean between these two levels, I don't see any very important levels, so I will stay away from this. New Zealand dollar, yes, New Zealand dollar is a break. Actually, this is a break and retest, classic break and retest example. 0.6229 is the resistance, and the price is now going down. 0.6155 is the next support. After that, 0.6050 may be tested in the New Zealand dollar. And on the higher side, now we have critical resistance at around 0.6232, and this will be a valid resistance when the price crosses below 0.6155. USD JPY on the daily has come down to the level of 140.22, where it has found the support here on the rising channel. So is it a valid support? Only time will tell, but for this to be over, we need I think a pull above 142.25. This area needs to be broken or tested before the price goes lower. Otherwise, if the price goes higher than 142.25, I think we should become buyers again. But if for some reason the price goes and drops below 137.23, then it will become a lower high and lower low formation, which will start a downtrend in this market. As of now, this low has been taken out, so we are only expecting a lower high to be formed, and for that to be confirmed, we need to break below 137.23, which makes 137.23 as the first target for us. USD CAD, it is in an uptrend actually, at least on the 1 hour, but when you see on the daily, it is even better. It looks like it may break soon to the upside. It looks like, okay, but this may be a failed ascending triangle also. How it is a triangle, guys? This is a triangle, don't worry, this is a triangle like this. Okay, it may fail, and if it fails, then the 1.3092 will be the target, but generally ascending triangles break on the upside. In that case, the 1.3386 will be the first target for this market. Now looking at the USD CHF, USD CHF had gone and this is 5 minute. I was actually tracking the USD CHF on the 5 minutes, but if you look at the daily and the weekly, I mean daily and the 4 hourly, you will notice that this price, this market is going in a downtrend and has just breached the level of 0.8631, which was a crucial, I think, support, and now it has breached below this, and then again buyback has come. Now I'm saying that if the price closes below 0.8631 today, then 0.8554 will be exposed in this market. But for some reason, if the price is able to manage a close higher than 0.8631, then there is a possibility of the price to continue towards 0.8757 and 0.8819 in this market. So keep that in mind. In silver, we are consolidating before the next leg up. We are consolidating before the next leg up. I think at the highs of this candle, which is around 24.71, you can find some buying opportunity. So whenever the silver goes down, you should be looking for it for as a buying opportunity below, with the stop loss below 24.24. Similarly is the gold, but gold doesn't look like that good as the silver is, because it is not able to go beyond this 1967 levels, and it is finding a huge resistance above that area. Although the price is making higher highs and higher lows, this wick on the today's candle is not very promising for the buyers. Yes, there is green candle, but it has failed to go beyond today's this level. So once the price went higher, it was immediately sold off. Right now the price is trading at 9067.82 to 9068 levels. If this acts as a good support and the price is pushed towards 1987 and beyond that, then I think we should be looking for buying opportunity in this one. But till the time the price is trading below 1967, I think we should not be buying this market. Although these pin bars here hinted that said there is possibility of some buying, even this pin bar is hinting some buying, but it is red in color. When there is a red candle, we don't buy. When there is a green candle, we don't sell. So since there is a red candle, 2 red candles of the 4 hours, so we do not want to buy this market. Okay. Brent is a buy. Brent is a buy. I think yesterday only we have confirmed it that Brent is a buy, and now the price is consolidating at the higher levels. This is an inside bar from yesterday. Yesterday also there was somewhat like a doji, and today also there's somewhat like a doji, but it's an inside bar. That means this consolidation is not letting sellers to enter the market and push the prices back to 80.91. So that means that this price is consolidating here for the next leg up, which is 87.46 as the target. So keep that in mind. And if you're vibing around, do smash that like button which is below the video. I think you will not get this crisp analysis anywhere else. If you get it, please let me know, because I also want to see the analysis which is so crisp. Okay, so pointing about the higher levels, we have 87.46, which is the next crucial level. On the downside, we have 80.91 as the fresh support. But yes, for some reason, if the price breaks below 78.16, we will become sellers in this market again. What about the Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin has finally gave us a close day before yesterday below 29,430 levels. Now this should act as a resistance. So I think we can increase the width of this market. So yes, this will be acting as a resistance, but this may be a dynamic support for the price. So yes, this area here, whenever the price comes to this area, you should keep an eye on this area. What happens if something like this happens? Then this should be your hint that yes, there is a buying here. Okay, if that doesn't happen and the price keeps going below this channel lines, then you should be sure that 24,766 is exposed in this market. Now what about Ethereum? Ethereum is still holding above 1816. Till the time it is holding above 1816, we should not think about selling this market. But if it trades below 1816, we can look for the selling opportunities like this with the target of 1621 on the downside. On the upside, if the price fails to close below 1816 and breaks this channel, what is this channel? Which channel? What channel are you talking about? If it breaks below this channel, so it breaks above this channel, you can buy it with the target of 2036, because the market is in an uptrend. But if it gives any trading value below 1816.1, then we should look for selling opportunities. Euro New Zealand is a buying market. Like I told you that if you grab this buying opportunity close to 1.7590 or 1.7600 area, then you should feel yourself lucky, because if you get this opportunity, this is a must opportunity. Okay, I have set a price red. If the price comes here, I will become a buyer, and I will become a very big buyer of the Euro New Zealand, because I am expecting a big move in this one, as it is a breakout in the monthly. I think I have already discussed about it yesterday, but I'm still showing you that it's a monthly breakout, and when there is a monthly breakout, there is a possibility of the price going to even this level, 1.99. Okay, so there's a lot to come. But don't be greedy. Just figure out that there are 2000 pips possible in this market, but it will definitely take 1, 2, 3, 4 months maybe. Okay, euro against the Australian dollar, it again started going higher, so it is also consolidating here. We need a close above this neckline for this inverse and shoulder to be okay, but if it doesn't, then we need a break below 1.6222 for us to become sellers. So right now we are nobody. We are not buying this market. We are not selling this market. So idea is to buy above this, buy, okay, and below this, sell. So this is the idea. All right, guys. What about the Australian against the New Zealand? Well, classic example of break, retest, and maybe now 1.0930 is going to be tested in this market. If it doesn't and breaks below 1.0831, then 1.0718 will be exposed again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the important levels. Do place your trades close to these levels if you want to trade Australian dollar against the New Zealand. And also notice that the price is now in an uptrend, so you should be looking for only buying opportunity. That means buying the market close to 1.0831 and selling it close to 1.0930. All right, pound against Australian dollar, the trade of the year. I'm expecting it to break to the downside below 1.8850. If it doesn't, I will not be trading this market, because it is a wedge, and wedge is very close to the apex. So anytime the selling opportunity may emerge, I will be selling it only below 1.8850 right now. And if it keeps going up, I will not be buying this market, because 1.9391 area is a crucial resistance for this market. Dow Jones, well, Dow Jones is struggling around 35,494 area, which is the level of resistance that we have marked yesterday. And see how it is struggling. This is an area. This is a crucial area. Okay, when we say this is a crucial area, that means there is a possibility that the price will come back to 34,921, so that those who want to book their profits, they're out. But 34,921 was a crucial area where there is a possibility of finding another opportunity to go long in this market. Okay, so keep an eye on this market. On the high side, we have targets around 35,845 and 36,931. On the low side, we have support at 34,921 and 34,400 levels. CAD JPY. Well, this is what happens. Like I think I told you about it here that US dollar, oh sorry, Canadian dollar is not very good to sell right now, and I asked you to wait for the red candle, and this is what happens when you get a red candle. Hold back. So anyways, this is going to be a selling market because the uptrend has been challenged by a close below this 106.55 levels. So expect now 100.87 levels in this market, but this can be crucial support for the price, which I'm marking right now on your screen, which is 104.24. Once 104.24 is broken, you can expect 100.87 in this market soon. Last one is cash CHF. I think we have done it yesterday also, but I will see it again. Okay, so cash CHF, we are expecting 0.6476 area to break. Okay. So yes, I think this is the thing which I said, that if you get selling opportunity close to 0.6760 area, I mean here, then it will be good, but it has sold off even today. So 0.6476 I think is exposed again. At least this low, which is 0.6479, is exposed. So let us see how the things unfold. But on the bigger time frames, it looks like CAD CHF is going down. That means the Swiss franc is getting strong and Canadian dollar is getting weak. That's all from my side, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat box, or I will be very fast to wrap up this session. I have done all the support and resistance levels of the pairs that we have been discussing every day. I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming time, and please keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any one trade, and you should have a lookout for a potential profit of more than 3 times of whatever you're risking. Say if you're risking 1%, you should be targeting at least 3%. If it is less than, potential profit is less than 3%, then do not open that trade. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow, same time, same place.